case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1988, the United States Supreme Court grappled with a landmark case, Mart Corp. v. Cartier, Inc., which centered around the thorny issue of gray market goods. Such goods, foreign manufactured products bearing a valid U.S. trademark, were being imported into the U.S. without the consent of the U.S. trademark holder, causing a storm of controversy. This situation led to a litigious outcry. The claimants challenged the Secretary of the Treasury's regulation, arguing that the allowance of certain gray market goods importation was not reasonable under the Tariff Act of 1930. For the challengers, their contention had roots in the potential for economic harm, their argument being that allowing these goods to be imported provided a loophole for foreign manufacturers to compete, possibly damaging their own market share and undermining their trademark investments. In the lower court, the ruling had been somewhat of a mixed bag, upholding some aspects of the regulation but not others. However, the case took an interesting twist when it reached the Supreme Court. Justice Kennedy, writing for the majority, struck a partial agreement with the Circuit Court. The ruling affirmed the common control exception of the regulation, agreeing that it was consistent with the Tariff Act. However, they took a more robust stance on the authorized use exception, finding it inconsistent with the Act and thereby effectively invalidating it. The Supreme Court ruling was an unexpected turn, reshaping the contours of trademark law. Upending the previous Circuit Court ruling, they validated the power of domestic trademark holders to blockade the importation of gray market goods that threaten their brands and investments. Meanwhile, the ruling also sustained provisions that allowed imports when gray market goods were manufactured abroad under the same or common control as the U.S. trademark holder. In essence, the court took an intricate issue that danced on the delicate line between trade and intellectual property rights and delivered a ruling fraught with careful nuance. In doing so, it reshaped the landscape of trademark law, proving that every trademark has its day in court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.